Target. Hey my love bugs, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I keep in my emergency kit. I personally think that every girl, every woman should have an emergency kit with her, either in your book bag, in your purse, in your car. I just really think everybody should have an emergency kit. If you want to see what I keep in my emergency kit, just keep watching. This is my emergency kit. This is what it looks like. I got this from Target a couple of years ago, and I just use this. I just keep this in my purse. The first thing that I keep in here in terms of my menstrual cycle are these self-explanatory tampons. Going right along with that, panty liners. The next thing I have, I really think all girls should carry this. Like honestly, all girls, women, whoever you are, I really think you should carry this. An extra pair of underwear. Because sometimes we have accidents. Another thing that I keep with me are little towelettes, little wipes. I get these from my gynecologist. She gives me a bunch of these every single time I go see her. I just keep these with me. They're just little soap, what are these? Castile soap towelettes. These little soap towelettes to just freshen up if, you know, I just a little messy down there. The next thing that I keep in here is a little first aid kit. This one's brand new. I just bought this because I'm a klutz. I'm clumsy. I'm always running into stuff, hurting myself in some type of way, and I wear long acrylic nails, and sometimes they break, and I just don't like walking around with one nail off, so I like to cover it with a Band-Aid. This is the Johnson & Johnson ones. You get a couple Band-Aids, the big ones, the small ones, and the super large ones, and then just some gauze. Next thing I keep in here, because of the C word, I keep a face mask with me. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. Wear a mask. There's no reason why you shouldn't wear a mask. I don't understand. Wear a mask. Just because you're asymptomatic, if some of you kids that be testing positive, just because you're asymptomatic doesn't mean my grandmother won't be, doesn't mean that your grandmother won't be, doesn't mean that your friend won't be. Wear a mask and stop going to these parties. Stop having these little get-togethers. You're killing people. Wear a mask, stay home. Next item. I don't know if this is weird. Y'all tell me if this is weird. I keep a mini toothbrush and toothpaste with me. I don't like bad breath. It comes in a set. You can get it at Target, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at the dollar store, anywhere. I got this one at Target. It was about 99 cents. Look at this little toothbrush. You have no reason to have bad breath. I don't like bad breath. Anyway, next item, gum. I think everybody should keep gum. I think stinking is so unattractive. Having bad breath is a #1 turn off. Pop a piece of gum in. Get some Listerine strips, something. The next item that I have, now this is something that people don't use enough. Sunscreen. Get you some sunscreen. Now I work at a hardware store and most of the time I'm outside, so that's why I keep sunscreen. I don't want to age quickly, and wearing sunscreen just protects you from harmful UV rays. This one is Broad Spectrum 70 SPF. It's by Neutrogena. You can wear this on your face. It's water resistant, sweat resistant. This is the one. Wear sunscreen. Something else that I keep is a little hand cream. I don't like being ashy. Most of the time my elbows are the fastest thing that gets ashy. Just get some lotion. Next thing I keep, a mini deodorant. There is no reason why you should smell musty when they make deodorant this small. You can put this in your pocket. You can put this in a fanny bag, in a locker, an apron. You should not stink. After that, I keep Q-tips. Now, you can use Q-tips for a lot of stuff. You use Q-tips if your makeup smudge, your ears dirty, your nose nasty, you got long nails, you can't get in there. Q-tips, I feel like they go a long way. I use them all the time on my baby. I do have a daughter, so Q-tips. I just feel like you need stuff like this. I don't know. I might be weird. Y'all, this is now along with the. I just feel like there's no reason for you to look a fool out in public when they have all of this small stuff. This is toothpicks. If you got something in your teeth, this. Now I get this because I like these salads. I like spinach. I like stuff that gets stuck in your teeth. I like broccoli. I like kale. Micro mint. Just a little. They look like they're the little toothpicks. How you open? They look like that. They're the mini ones. The next thing I keep are wet ones. Now this is the antibacterial ones. Target only let me get one of these, but I like to get one. I keep one in my diaper bag and I keep one in my emergency kits because surfaces are just disgusting. We're getting down to the last couple things. Hand sanitizer. It's 62% alcohol, which is good because 61% kills the C word. Wash your hands. Use hand sanitizer. Don't touch your face. This is simple, just a little mini body spray. This one is for Bath and Body Works. It's the Intro to Night fragrance mist. This one, honestly, I'm not really a fan. I mean, I like it. It serves its purpose. The last few things that I have is a nail clipper. I wear long nails. I can hang nails all the time, so just clip off whatever is in my way. I have chapstick, fresh cherry one. This one has SPF in it too. I never paid attention to it. Well, that's it for my emergency kit, guys. If you like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you feel about this video. Be sure to click the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a video. Until next time, goodbye, my loves.